Hey guys, let's see how you can view a Cinnado camera on a MacBook. Here I have the D1 2K camera, but it works with any Cinnado camera. So super simple. As long as I have the cameras working with my app, it's going to work with my MacBook Pro as well. You see that I have here a pet camera and a balcony camera. Those are Cinnado camera. Here I have the D1 and here I have the B6. And here on my computer I'm going to use this app. See here, when I come to the App Store, I am looking for Wansview Cloud, right? That's the one. It's the same app that I'm using here on my cell phone. I just need to open because I have installed already. You just need to install and create an account. Log into the app. There we go. I'm going to log in here. There we go. And the camera is working here. You see? Super simple. And I can also check the other camera, it's still connecting because the software is connecting to the cloud, right? So I have working, my cell phone is going to work here instantly, right? I don't need to do anything here. And I can have my camera here from the balcony. I can even control it just from my computer. So super simple. That's one way to go. And a different way to go is use a different software here. That's the IPCAN, okay? You can also find this one on the App Store. When you come here and use the IPCAN. There we go, IP Camera Viewer. But this one is going to work locally, all right? If you're using the Wansview camera, now Wansview app is going to work no matter where you are, but this one here is going to work locally. And to make this one work, you just need to come to the camera and enable something here. See that I have the camera here, come to the local application, and I need to enable the ONVIF protocol. You see here that's on, okay? Enable verification as well. And you come back to the local account and you create a username and password. You see here that I have admin, and here I have the password. I just using a simple one just to make this video easier. Then I save. And it's good to go, right? So I come here and I can add a new camera. You search for the camera in the network. There we go, it found the camera. So I just select here. And here I need to insert the username and password. There we go. Now it's connected to the camera. I just hit add camera and see here that it's working now. I just double click here and it's working with my Cinnado D1 camera. That's the camera that I have just right here, okay? So very easy to set up. You can do both ways, right? Using the IP camera app that works locally here on my office. And if you wanna use the different way, you can just use the Wansview app, right? So I hope this helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.